Mission failed.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time.
Lied the way there. Oh, bull crap! I was fully healed! You have to be kidding! Oh, that was, excuse me? What the heck? Did I go in first person?
I don't know. He's not leaving, so
I was definitely seeing in first person or something there.
that's really weird. I got the door open, but it was still like opening as I was running in, so he got a hit. But you know, we were lucky.
I said it's because of my right.
Freaking Omni Flare.
What? It showed that he hit me. That's weird. I did not get hit. Give it.
Alright, we're playing Fortnite.
Oh gosh. Matt, that was so good timing. Oh, we're playing Fortnite.
So I'm gonna get Octopath Traveler with that one.
Ooh, nice.
Dang.
Because I should have gotten that other than Mario Tennis Aces. I realize that now.
Tennis Ace is cool. It's just not, you know.
Oh, he got Mario Tennis Aces?
I got put down in the what?
Oh, call that's it.
Well, what do you want me to do? Should I unbreakable and pick this girl up?
Probably, that's the smart play, yeah. Oh my god. What was that? He's coming back! We need to leave this spot.
Does she have an insta heal?
That was definitely an insta-heal. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, it's so loud.
Oh, you made me crash! You made me crash, Zion!
Wait, what?
What is Matt Malone? What are you doing?
I'm driving a car
Driving a
right
car.
now!
What game?
I'm
In
not in
Australia.
real life!
What?
Yeah, I know. I thought Discord was crap, but like it actually works in Australia. I'm just kidding. I'm playing Forza.
Let's see.